out there, show you what we're doing. All right, so we got this old tank pumped down, so we can abandon it and put a new infiltrator tank in that you see back there. And then 225 square feet of drain field is gonna go in that area back there. Spent yesterday getting the pump truck back running. Had a PTO line that split. Not sure why. There was a lot of stuff going on, so I'm trying to figure that out. Also shopping for a truck, all kinds of stuff. But right now we're doing a drain field repair. Alright, we got this tank in. A lot of cave-ins. Hit this surprise water line that we had no idea was there. Probably could have avoided the water line. Didn't even need to be over there. We're just trying to clean up the hole a little bit and bam. So we'll get that fixed and sleeved. Now we're gonna start putting the drain field and back over here. So enjoy. All right, we got it installed. Got the water line repaired for them. See the tank? I already showed you that. It's 225 square feet, ARC 24s. We've been kind of flip-flopping ARCs and the low pros. Plan on getting the normal size quick pours in, and we'll start using those as soon as we can get some in, instead of the ARCs, and then we'll flip-flop between the quick fours and the low pro quick fours. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. So it's definitely a Monday. So we thought we were jumping on it. Thought we had a good start. We get out, we're about 45 minutes out from the lot. We get out to the job site and realize that we didn't have our laser. So it's a good start to the week, but this is a little commercial job, new tank, drain field. We're putting in 250. Permit called for 200 square feet. We're gonna put in a little extra, so we have to pump and abandon the existing tank. It's gonna be a wet day, it's gonna be rain, so I don't know as far as cameras. We're gonna try to keep them going as long as we can. They are waterproof, but we're gonna see. You guys enjoy. As soon as I get back, we're gonna jump right into abandoning the tank. Hopefully Chandler has everything located. So that's what you guys are fixing to see now. That's what they're looking at. I'm not. Yeah, I already had it on my hand. Alright, we got this one done. Sorry, not a whole lot of camera action and stuff like that, but we got the tank in, tied this building in over here, this one over here. Had to run an all new line. I don't know how that one was ever even flowing to anything. It was about 4 foot deep, come straight out of the building at grade, and then went down 4 feet and then over, when the inlet of the old tank was only about 1.5 feet below grade. So I don't know how that one was ever flowing, but 225 square feet of drain field, 1060 infiltrator tank, knocked it out. It took forever, a lot longer than we thought it was going to take. We hit all kinds of lines, as you may or may not have seen. We hit a water line that we thought we already located, and it ended up wrapping back around this here, some kind of electric line in PVC. So a lot of fun, a lot of anxiety. Never know what's going to come up on the next bucket. There's also an airline somewhere here, but we never hit it. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, last day of the week, last day of this video. We're here on new construction. Tank, we're not putting it in today, but it's going to go right here behind me. Excavation is back there. I don't know if you guys can see the flags or not, but this house is very bright. So we got 30 inches of excavation to do, I believe. I have to check the permit. I'm gonna get to work. I'll see you guys in a minute. Using this wide open lot to put us some training. Alright, we're gonna end with this. Chandler's over there practicing his little heart out, but I have a feeling he's gonna be just fine. So that's it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll end it with a little more footage of him digging around. Make sure you guys subscribe, follow us on Instagram, all that good stuff. Appreciate you guys watching. This video has been fun, but I appreciate you guys watching and being patient. I love y'all. See ya.